Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine. In this video I am going to tell you that how to make a YouTube logo for your YouTube channel. It's Canva tutorial number 3. So open Canva, wait for a while. Here it is opening. Okay, reload it. Okay, not now. Here our camera has been opened, so wait for a while. Okay, here our Canva has been opened. So after it is open, go to search bar and search for logo. Search it again, wait for a while, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel or like our all videos. Here different types of logos is arrived. So one is paid or one is free, so we choose free. Here different types of templates of logo, some is free, some more paid. Okay, wait for a while it all is open. Okay, after it all open, so I like this logo. Click on it, wait for a while. Okay, here our logo is open. So if you want to change your, here you have to write your YouTube channel name. So my YouTube channel name is YouTube Gaming YT. So here I type YouTube Gaming YT. Okay, it's too big. Oh, so YouTube. Here I have to do some adjustments. Here YouTube, and then again one more font. Here go to text, or here add a heading. Click on it and type Gaming YT. Here YouTube Gaming YT. Adjust it. So if you want to change a logo, here remove it, replace, or upload from your gallery. Okay, so I like this. If you want to replace its background, so you can replace it. So here our logo has been created. If you want more editing, so I want to add a YouTube logo at right corner of it. So click plus button, go to elements, search for YouTube logo. Here YouTube logo it is. Click on it. Here it is. So I want it at top of corner. Okay, here it is. And I also want subscribe button. Here I write subscribe. Sorry. Okay. In elements I write subscribe. So wait for a while. Subscribe element is opening. Subscribe button. Here it's not opening. Wait for a while after it's opening. So okay, I don't want subscribe button on my top and I want to remove its logo. So click on it and then replace. Go to sorry, not this. Click plus button, then go to elements. Here I like this logo, click on it here. So first of all remove it and then click on it, adjust on it here. Here our logo has been created. So don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.